So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week of our odd USD. So we are actually going to be doing an in-depth analysis on what this odd USD is going to be doing so that we can easily predict what markets will be doing for the week, and with that we will be able to make the right decision. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you would not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, take a look at this moment right here. You know, day before yesterday, we predicted markets to give us a bearish move, so which was on Thursday. We said that markets will close bearish for the day, which markets eventually did give us the bearish move. Also on Friday, we also said that markets should be giving us a bearish move, and markets eventually gave us that bearish move. So you can see that over 90% of our analysis absolutely correct. So this is one of the reasons why I always tell you guys, if you are yet to subscribe and you haven't done that yet, that definitely missing out on a quality update. All you just need to do is very much simple. Click on the subscribe button, like and share. Now let's see what market is going to be doing for us for the week. Let's start with the trend right here. So take a look at this movement right here, guys. You can see that market has been rejecting from this level, right? So you can see that there are multiple rejection from these levels right here, right? Now market has eventually come back to tap this level, which gave us a little bit of a breakout, which you can call the first breakout. And guess what market is doing? Market is now dropping back. So we should be expecting market to drop back till it is able to come to this tap our support level, right? So this is to tell you that a bearish move is what we should be expecting on our odd USD. So you can see it right here, that this trend looks like a ranging market move. Once market comes to tap this resistance, we tend to see it reject and drop back to target support level, right? Then it reject from our support and come back to this resistance. So you can see that market has been giving us this sideways movement for some times, right? You know, for a couple of weeks, even I mean, this movement has been going on since 2022, right? So this has been going on for more than 3 years, right? Right. So market has been giving us such a movement. So once it comes to tap our support level, then we had this suggestion that was made to tap our resistance. Now in the long run, we will be expecting all USD to jump to tap the support level. Now, this is for position traders. This movement right here is for position traders. Traders that would love to hold their position for the next 5 to 7 months. If you see yourself holding your position for the next 5 to 7 months, you should go in for the sell, because odd USD will still give us that bearish move. So if you're going for the sell and hold your sell position, you are definitely going to profit a lot from this. So in the long run, odd USD will drop to form that low till it is able to tap the support level. Remember, we will be expecting it to drop till it is able to tap the support level, right? That is what we'll be expecting it. Now, could there be changes to this prediction that we just did? Absolutely, yes. There's a possibility that there will be changes to this prediction. So this is one of the reasons why we always say, if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single bit. So with what market is doing right here, odd USD will most likely going to give us that sell till it is able to tap our support level. Now, down to our daily time frame, you can now see that we're having a series of lower low and lower high. So this is our first low, and this is the lower high. Now here comes the lower low. So you can wait for your lower high to play out. You can wait for your lower high to play out before market eventually drop to form a new lower low. Now let's go down to the forward time frame right here. Also, lower high, then another drop to form a new lower low. So above all, going for your sell and hold your sell position. That is the best thing you will do, right, for the week on your odd USD.